What's going on, guys? Bauer here from Bauer's Breaks, and we are coming at you with another 2021 Panini Contenders Hobby Box. If you saw my previous video, some of our better hits are here. The Matty Ice MVP Contenders 47 out of 49. The Marcus Colston Legendary Contenders 4 out of 49 auto. And then one for the personal collection, the Supernatural of Justin Fields. So yeah, you guys kind of know what to expect now after the first box. So we'll get straight into cracking and see if we can hit any more veteran autos. If we can hit one of the big time rookie autos, that would be great. But yeah, we should see what we have here. Alright, so I believe it's 18 packs per box, 6 cards per pack. Here we go. Let's get to ripping. Looking for 5 autos like last time. We did get the 5 autos, plus a numbered Von Miller insert championship ticket. I think we hit 4 numbered cards that one, so let's see if we can get the same here. Alright, first pack out of this one. Yeah, Tre'Davious White, Damian Harris, Mike Evans, Tyrann Mathieu, Marquise Brown. Then we got a Gladiators. Already hit this one. Tony Gonzalez. Okay. Alright, we got Josh Jacobs, Darnell Mooney, Saquon Barkley, Jared Goff, Jimmy G. We got a Rookie of the Year, Dwayne Eskridge. Alright, we got Laviska Shenault, Matt Ryan, Mike Gesicki. So we get an auto. Nope. We got a T. Higgins. Nope, auto would be behind this one. I thought that was card 4. Nope, no auto. Marcus May. And then we got a Gladiators, Ben Roethlisberger. Okay, we got Chase Young, Henry Ruggs, RIP, Khalil Mack, Daniel Jones. Yeah, we got an auto here. Flip it around, see what the back is. Oh, we got a nice Ricky Williams. Okay, here's our auto. Rookie wide receiver Washington. If I had to guess, it would be Dyami Brown. And sure enough, it is Dyami Brown. Is that on card? That's on card auto Dyami Brown. Very nice. It's a variation there. Not numbered. Very nice for our first one. Get on card auto. Here's Dyami Brown on card. Very nice. And then here's the Legendary Contenders, Ricky Williams. I wonder if these Legendary Contenders, if there's also an auto here for all these guys. I'm not sure. I didn't really look at the checklist to see if it was an option, but I assume the Legendary Contenders will have some sort of auto. So, if you can potentially hit a Ricky Williams auto, that would be pretty sweet. Big Ricky Williams fan growing up. Alright, we got Von Miller, Tyler Lockett, James Robinson, J.J. Watt, We got Devontae Parker. We got Power Players, Tyron Smith. Alright, we got Joey B. We got T.Y. Hilton, Antonio Gibson, Derek Carr, Christian McCaffrey, and Davis Mills and Kellen Mond. Round 3 numbers insert. It's a nice card. A couple of rookie quarterbacks. Looking for 4 more autos so far. There we got Nick Bosa, Tyreek Hill, Hayden Hurst, Kirk Cousins. It's going to be our auto here. Turn around, see what we got. We got MVP. MVP contender is Sam Darnold. That's hilarious. Alright, here. Rookie. Variation running back Chargers. That'd be Josh Kelly. Larry Roundtree. And the variation to stickered auto, Larry Roundtree the third. Yep, variation. So here's our second auto. That one's stickered. There's number 2. Alright, here's Baker Mayfield, Jalen Hurts, Aaron Jones, Rob Gronkowski, Allen Robinson. We got a ticket here. Same one as we had before in the previous video. Frank Rick, playoff ticket. We got Kenny Galladay, DeAndre Swift, George Kittle, Patrick Mahomes, Calvin Ridley, say Supernatural maybe. Oh no, this is a winning ticket. That's going to be Alvin Kamara on the winning ticket. Alright, last pack of this side. Alright, we got Justin Jefferson, Joe Mixon, Jamison Crowder, Devontae Adams. Got an auto here. We got a Chain Movers, Austin Eckler here. Then here, let's see, we got rookie defensive end Colts. That's a Quiddy Pay stickered auto, not numbered. Quiddy Pay rookie. I don't know how you get Quiddy Pay out of that autographed. I don't see any K's or W's, but maybe I can make out a P and the E at the end. But okay, maybe that's a K. Maybe that's a K. That's a rough signature. It's nothing compared to the Matt Ryan here, where you can spell out the Matt Ryan. total nice guy there. Respect a guy who signs pretty nice for the cards. There's Quiddy Pay in all his glory. Auto number 3. Looking for 2 more out of the last 9 packs, I believe. Let's see, 8 packs here. No numbered cards yet, which we did hit, I think, 4 numbered ones last time in the first hobby box. So hoping to get at least 1 out of this. Adam Thielen, Nick Chubb, Fletcher Cox, Brandon Cooks, Julio Jones, and we got Rookie of the Year, Justin Fields. Yes, that's a nice hit. Yes, sir, Rookie of the Year candidate, even though he really was never in it. That is 1 for the personal collection again. Justin Fields, Rookie of the Year. There we go. 1 for the personal collection. Alright, 7 packs left. And for 2 more autos, see if we can hit a numbered card somewhere here. We got Joey Bosa, Stephon Diggs, Aaron Rodgers, Tom Brady, and then here's another auto. We got Chain Movers, Justin Jefferson. Let's see what we got here. Rookie, defensive tackle, Patriots, Christian Barmore. Stickered auto. There he is. Christian Barmore, sticker auto, rookie. So all 4 autos so far have been rookies. Okay. 6 more packs. Looking for 1 more auto. See if we can hit any numbered cards, parallel cards, or anything like that. Alright, we got Travis Kelce, Lamar Jackson, Dalvin Cook, Myles Garrett, Miles Sanders, and we got a Ramondre Stevenson and Michael Carter round 4 numbers base card. Alright, we got Jair Alexander, Chris Godwin, Keenan Allen, Corey Davis, TJ Hawkinson, Power Players, TJ Watt. Alright, let's hit a big one for our last auto, huh? Let's hit a big one. I think we're doing this one. Due for a big one. Alright, we got Josh Allen, Jacoby Myers, Ezekiel Elliott, Juju Smith-Schuster. Did we get a Derek Carr auto? Nope, but we did get a Derek Carr numbered out of 99. What's the number there? Is that 88? 88 out of 99 on the MVP Contenders. Is that a variation? Just a hollow. Nice. We get our first numbered card out of the box. Derek Carr MVP Contenders. He was an MVP contender, I think, at the beginning of the year, and then he kind of fell off after everything that went on, the Ruggs and the Gruden and all that stuff. But Still played fairly well. It's Derek Carr, 88 out of 99. All right. We got David Johnson, Derrick Henry, Cooper Kupp, Sam Darnold, Michael Thomas, got a Packer MVP contenders, Aaron Rodgers. Two packs left, looking for one more auto. Maybe a numbered auto would be phenomenal. Okay, we got Amari Cooper. We got Justin Herbert. Mark Andrews. Nelson Aguilar. Dak Prescott. And power players, Marcus Colston. Last pack, looking for one more auto. Could it be this one? Could it be a big one? Let's hope. Let's see. Last pack. Ben Roethlisberger, Randall Cobb, A.J. Brown. Let's hope something big is behind Matt Stafford, Super Bowl winner. Yep, here we go. Flip it around. We got a Joe Montana Legends. Alright, let's see what we got. Did we get a Jesper Horsted? Oh, we got a Jesper Horsted. Just got trolled so hard. Oh, man. I do love my Bears. That's a die cut. Jesper Horsted, 24 out of 87. He is number 87. Jesper Horsted. Oh, when I saw that Bears logo. Man. There's Jesper Horsted in all his glory. Oh, man. There he is. And then there's the legendary contenders of Joe Montana. So this box was definitely not as good as my previous one, but we will run through all the inserts and the autos here. We got Joe Montana on the legendary, Marcus Colston power players, Alvin Kamara chain movers, Aaron Rodgers MVP contender, TJ Watt power players, Ramondre and Michael Carter round 4 numbers, Alvin Kamara winning ticket, Frank Reich on the playoff ticket, Kellen Mond and Davis Mills on the round 3 numbers, Tyron Smith power players, Ricky Williams legendary contenders, Ben Roethlisberger Gladiator, Dwayne Eskridge Rookie of the Year contender, Gladiators Tony Gonzalez, and then for these ones, probably go in this order. One for the personal collection here, Justin Fields Rookie of the Year contender, Dammy Brown rookie ticket on card auto, Larry Roundtree rookie ticket sticker auto, Christian Barmore rookie ticket sticker auto, Kwity Paye rookie ticket sticker auto, Jesper Horsted die cut to 87, his jersey number, 24 out of 87 rookie ticket sticker auto, and then Derek Carr 88 out of 99 on the MVP contenders. So yeah, not as good as our first box. I mean, that's to be expected. These are very boomer bust boxes, so I hope you guys enjoyed. Give me a comment if you what card was your favorite or you didn't like, and then yeah, hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this in the future. And Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys.